Hello dear students, I am Abhinav Sir. Welcome you all in this rank up series. I hope everyone is doing fantastic. Okay, those who are new in the channel, let me introduce myself. My name is Abhinav Sir, having 13 plus years of teaching experience, done my MTech from IIT Delhi, guys. And you can join me in my Telegram group, Civil by Abhinav Sir. More than 6,000 plus students have already joined in this Telegram group. Guys, this is the complete schedule of the rank up series. Okay, already we have done strength of materials. Okay, thank you for all your huge response. FM is also done. Soil mechanics will be taking after a couple of days, and today will be surveying. Okay, so be prepared, guys. If you want to take the maximum benefit of this, it's a small request. Have a pen, copy along with you, and calculator as well, so that you can take the maximum benefit from this session. Then tomorrow we'll be doing RCC, then PERT CPM, hydrology, engineering mechanics, and highway. And in between we'll be doing soil mechanics as well. Those who are preparing for the GATE 2025, they can take our crash course, guys. You can take the crash course. You can download the Resultant Civil app from the Play Store. Okay, you can write on the Play Store Resultant Civil. You can download the app, and if you are preparing for GATE 2025, you can take our crash course. For 2026 and 27 students, we have the complete course where you will be getting live plus recorded classes. For every subject, you will be getting study notes. For every subject, you will be getting formula book. For every subject, you will be getting workbook, which includes MCQ, MSQ, LAT. For every subject, you will be getting the test series and the study notes and previous year questions. Hi Priyanshu, Ashish, Yamabu, everyone. Ready? Okay. You can download the Resultant Civil app from the Play Store. This is the first question, guys. What is the multiplicative constant of tachometer? And after this, we'll be having a very exciting question. But first of all, tell me this: what you do in tachometer now? You measure the distances. Okay. So there are three wires in the diaphragm. There are three wires. Suppose this is cutting at 2.1 staff, 2.2 reading, 2.3 reading. So this is S. This is S. Suppose this is 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. So S will be 2.3 minus 2.1. That will be 0.2. And this is the distance D which we want to measure. So this distance is equal to Ks plus C. S is the staff intercept. K is the multiplicative constant. C is the additive constant. K is the multiplicative constant and C is the additive constant. Okay, if nothing is mentioned by default or for analytic lens, by default, or if it is mentioned it is analytic lens, then K is equal to 100 and C is equal to 0. And this formula I have derived in the class as well. This complete formula D is equal to Ks plus C I have derived in the class as well. What is K? K is F by I, focus by steady interval. And what is C? F plus D. Okay. What is D? F, you know, focus. I is the steady interval. What is D? Suppose this is the telescope now. So from here to here, this distance is called as D. So K, they are asking K. So K will be A, F by I. Got it? Give me yes or no. Everyone. After this, we'll be having a super exciting question that can be asked in NAT. Okay, let me see who can do this fastest. Okay, Priyanshu, Anantma, Ashish, Nishant, Lavanya, Sachin. Let me see who can do that question. Yes. This is the question that can be asked in NAT. What is the value of the parallactic angle of analytic lens? Yes. I repeat, you have to tell me the value in degree, minute, seconds. What is the parallactic angle for analytic lens? Come on. Everyone. Parallactic angle for analytic lens. I want to see. Hi Asan, how are you? Degree, minute and seconds. The value I want to know. 20 minute Ashish, no. It's not 20. No. Please correct. Please recheck. 20 seconds, no. 0 degree. No, tell me in proper, yeah. Degree, minute, second, complete, yeah. In degree, minute, second, complete. First of all, what is the parallactic angle? Might be this is a ground. This is the star. Let me make star from a different color. Let this blue color be a vertical staff. Let this green color be your tachometer. You have three readings, na? The three in diaphragm there are three crosshairs. In the three crosshairs are suppose like this. Okay, there are three cross wires, na, in diaphragm. These are the readings, top, middle, and bottom readings corresponding to the wires which are intersecting at the staff, and this complete alpha is a parallactic angle. So this is alpha by 2. The wires are equally spaced, na, in a non-defective tachometer. So this alpha is parallactic angle. Parallactic angle is alpha. This alpha value I want to know. And let me tell you guys, you can do this. No need to remember. You can do this as well. Okay, Yuva. Okay, Anna Poreshwari is also correct. Syam Babu. Good. Good. Have you solved or you have remembered it? Yuva, Syam Babu, Anna Poreshwari. Have you solved it or you remember? You have remembered the data. Complete is S, so this will be S by 2. Complete star reading is S, so this will be S by 2. This is D. So tan alpha by 2 is perpendicular, that is S by 2, divided by base, that is D. So S, D is Ks plus C. So it is S, K is 100, C is 0. So 2 into 100 into S. So tan alpha by 2 is 1 by 200. So from here calculator, if you find out, so alpha value, that is parallactic angle, is 0 degree 34 minute 22.63 seconds. Like this. Solved you are. Great. Nice question, na? Please like and share the session with all, yaar. Come on, everyone. Got it? Great. Now let us do some 1 mark question, guys. The GIS is Geographic Information System. What does GIS do? GIS, whatever the geographical data we have, na, it analyze, map and tool that data. So in that interpolation of any geographical reference data, na, if you do some interpolation, okay, suppose here there are a lot of vehicles, okay, so traffic will be jammed. Our GPS will be showing us a larger time to reach the destination. So what the principle is called? It is spatial auto correlation. That is a database questions. You have to remember it. Okay, no concept like this to solve. Okay. Which of the following is not a method of plane table surveying? Yes, Nishant. What are the methods of plane table? What are the methods of plane table? Various methods to locate. Methods of plane table surveying. So methods of plane table surveying is radiation method, where we put the rays towards the various objects and with suitable skills, with the help of LED, we cut it. Traversing. Intersection method, especially when there is a river in between. And one more is resection. Method. These 4 are the methods of plane table. 1, 2, 3, 4. This backscattering is not a method. A will be the answer. Okay. And please tell me where we will be using plane table surveying. In magnetic areas, like in near mines, where compass surveying is not reliable because of large local attraction. In coal mines, iron mines, where there is large local attraction, there we cannot rely on compass surveying. So there we do plane table surveying. Error arising from carelessness of the observer is called as? Errors arising from the carelessness is called as? Come on. What does this error called? Which arises from carelessness? which arises from carelessness, that is a mistake. Mistake arises due to carelessness and it is usually the large error. Can you tell me the Lakshman Rekha, the boundary after which we call the error as a mistake? What is that boundary line? What is that boundary after which we call error as mistake? There will be, we call small errors are treated as or called as errors only. Large errors is called as mistake. What is that boundary? I told you in theory of error chapter, yaar. I told you that boundary in theory of error chapter. Below this boundary, this is the boundary line. This is called as error. And after this error, it is called, after that boundary, it is called as mistake. What is that boundary? What is that boundary? What is the value of that boundary? No one. I told you, if you see your notes now, in theory of error chapter, I told you that boundary is plus minus 3.29 sigma. The error beyond this value is called as mistake. Correct? Emax. Yes, Yamabu. Got it? Got it? The error more than plus minus 3.29 sigma, either plus side or minus side, is called as mistake. Now this has been asked in gate question. All other questions which we are doing are not in gate. Only 2-3 questions will be the PYQ. Others will be the fresh questions. The magnetic bearing of a AB line is N 59 degree 30 minute west. What is the whole circle bearing of this line? 300 degree 30 minutes in 1967 when the declination was 4 degree 10 minute east. So suppose this is the true meridian. True meridian never change. It will be same in 1967 in present also. So in 1967, where was the magnetic meridian? Declination was 4 degree 10 minute east. So magnetic meridian was here. That is 1967 and that is 4 degree 10 minute towards east. And from this, the whole circle bearing of the line is 300 degree 30 minutes. So line will be like this. And this is the magnetic bearing. Magnetic bearing will be measured from magnetic meridian, from here. So from here, this angle is 300 degree 30 minutes. If the present declination is 3 degree west, now today the declination is true meridian will be same. It is 3 degree west. This is magnetic meridian today. Today it is 3 degree west. So what is the whole circle bearing of now? What is the magnetic bearing now? So now magnetic bearing will be measured from here na. This will be the answer na. This will be the answer na. So how much extra? From here it is 300 degree 30 minutes. So now 7 degree 10 minute extra na. 300 degree 30 minutes plus 7 degree 10 minutes. What is that value? 307 degree 40 minutes. B answer. B answer. Guys, do you want to know the shortcut of calculations or addition or subtraction of this degree, minute, seconds? Please put a heart sign if you want to know. Please put a heart sign if you want to know the short trick, short calculation trick. Short calculation trick. Guys, first of all, in engineering economy and in surveying, 1 plus minus x ki power n x, this you all know, is approximately 1 plus minus nx when x is very less than 1. This is used in slope correction. Engineering economy chapter also this is used. Future worth, present worth. And the thing I want to know, sometimes these kind of things come asked. 60 degree minus 26 degree 30 minute 42 seconds. So what you do now, if such equation comes, what you do now, you write 60 degree as 59 degree 59 minute 60 seconds. So 60 seconds is 1 minute. 60 seconds is 1 minute. Please hear. Please see here everyone. 60 seconds is 1 minute. So 1 minute and 59 minute is 60 minute. I repeat, 60 seconds is 1 minute. 1 minute and 59 minute is 60 minute. 60 minute is 1 degree. 60 minute is 1 degree. 59 degree and 1 degree is 60 degree. Correct? So instead of 60 degree, you write it like this. This is also 60 degree yaar. Minus 26 degree 30 minute 42 seconds. So what is this? 18 seconds. 60 minus 42. And this is 29 minute. And this is 36, 46, 56. 33 degree. Got it? Got the trick? Everyone? Everyone? Now this is also, I repeat guys, only 2-3 questions of this session will be PYQs, others will be the new question. Which of the following angles are ill-conditioned triangle? If all the 3 angles of a triangle are 30 degree to 120 degree, that is a well-conditioned triangle, because then the various lines we can see distinctly. In chain surveying, we divide our area into network of triangles. So when the angle is more than 30, then we can distinctly see these 3 different lines. Okay, and if angle is more than less than 30, then if angle should not be more than 120. If angle is more than 120, then either of the other 2 angles has to be less than 30. So angle should not be less than 30. Why? Because then the lines will be like this. So we cannot clearly see the 2 different lines. So angle should be more than 30. Why less than 120? Because if it is more than 120, then any of the other 2 angles has to be less than 30. So that is well conditioned triangle. So here all are between 30 to 120, it is well. Here all are between 30 to 120, it is well. So this is not more than 30, it is ill. So Q and S are ill conditioned triangles. A option. Yes, civil engineer Antma. You are Antma. Great. Yes, this will, error I am asking. If there is a traverse PQRS, and again I am starting from P and I am ending at P. So the true value should be these 4 angles. The true value should be 360 degree, True value should be 360 degree, What is the measured value? If you add all of them, it will be 363 degree. Error is equal to measured value minus true value. So measured value is 363 degree. True value is 360. So error is 3 degrees. Error is 3 degrees. Got it everyone? Got it everyone? Yes or no? Great. Yeah, this is also a gate question. After this we'll be having some independent questions. This is very logical and purely mathematical question, guys. Reduce levels of the point P and Q is given. So from datum, let this be datum. This P is at a height of 49.6 and this Q is at a height of 51.870. 51.870. Okay. So this P and Q elevation from the datum is given. The distance PQ is 20 meters. The distance PQ is 20 meters. The distance in meter from at which 51 contour. Guys, this is 49. This will be somewhere 50. This will be somewhere 51 also. Na? So here suppose the distance is 51. So what is this alpha distance? Similar triangle concept, guys. Similar triangle you will apply interpolation, anything you can apply. You do similar triangle, you do interpolation, anything, guys. Okay. Of course, guys, these small values cannot be there because if in 20 meters it is jumping approximately 2 meters, then in 10 meters it will be jumping 1 meter. Na? Approximately, guys, in 20 meters it is jumping how much? 49.6 to 51.8. So approximately it is jumping 2 meters. Approximately. So in 10 meters it will be approximately jumping 1. Actually, to be precise, it will be 2.270. I am saying it is, suppose roughly I am saying it is 2. So in 10 meters it is a jump of 1. I want a jump more than plus 1 here. 49.6 to 51. It is jump of more than plus 1. So answers will be more than 10. These cannot be the answers, guys. If you do proper interpolation, then this will be the answer. Steve, कहाँ पे भाई? because this is less than 30 na. Any each single only one angle should not be less than 30 or any of the angles should not be less than 30. Here it is less than 30. Got it? Lavanya and Steve, have you got it? Now crack this question, guys. Everyone, hit this question hard. Hit this question hard. A camera equipped with a 150 mm focal length lens is used to make a vertical photograph from flying from a height of 2780 meter above mean sea level. If the flat terrain with the elevation of 500, the scale of the photograph. Suppose this is the datum. From datum na, this is the flat terrain having an elevation of 500 meters. There is a camera from where we are taking the photographs. Flying height is 2780. Now it is asked what is the scale. So scale is F, flying height minus the ground elevation. So 152 mm means 150 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Capital H is 2780 minus 500. What is this S value coming from here? Can you please tell me? Can you please tell me, guys, what is this S value coming from here? From here. Is it 1 by 15,000? Yes, Syamabu Anantuma. Excellent, yaar. Excellent, excellent. Great, great, great. Great, guys. What is the relationship between flying? Just we have told here. Air base and photo base. So photo distance upon ground distance is equal to scale. Photo distance upon ground distance, air base and photo base is B, and scale is F upon H minus H. This is 0 here. Okay. So it will be capital B value will be F upon B into H. F upon where it is. A option. A option. What is 66.67 here? Okay, you are talking about scale. Any doubt here? Any doubt here? Come on, please tell me. Come on. No. An angle measured with theodolite is alpha with weight 2. What is the weight of alpha by 4? If alpha has weight 2, then according to law of weight, if anything is multiplied by 2, okay, if anything is divided by something, alpha by 4, it is divided by 4, then weight of the resultant will be whatever you divide now, you divide by 4, so multiply by square of that. Multiply the given weight with the square of that. So 2 into 4 square, that is option number C. Easy. What is the latitude and departure? N 60 degree west. N 60 degree west. So N 60 degree E, this is N, this is E, this is S, and this is W. So N 60 degree west, and it is having a length of 100 meter. Length is 100 meter. Latitude is, first of all, latitude will be the projection in north-south axis. Here the projection is in north axis. So latitude will be in north. So it is positive. And departure is on the projection on the horizontal axis. So it is in the west. So it is minus. So departure is minus. This cannot be answer. This is okay. These can be the answer. So latitude will be 100 cos 60 and departure will be 100 sin 60. 100 sin 60 cos 60 is root 3 by 2 because sin 60 is sorry cos 60 is 1 by 2, so it is 50. Latitude is 50, so only option is C. Only option is C. Need not to calculate this complex sin 60 value. That will be root 3 by 2. 50 root 3. Any doubt? Guys, please all of you write down your cities also. Yeah, I want to know from which cities the students are watching the resultant YouTube channel. Let me tell you guys, all the students who are preparing for 2025, they will be having a crash course, and for 226 students and 2026 and 27 students, they can go on the Play Store. On the Play Store, you can write down resultant civil, and from resultant civil app you can download, and we have the complete course for the 26 and 27 students where you will be getting live plus recorded classes plus the complete content like workbook, PYQs and everything. Okay, from which district? Priyanshu, I am also from Uttarakhand. Geostationary satellites. What are the Telangana? What are the geostationary satellites? Guys, names. Geo means earth, stationary means constant. So obviously guys, which is constant from earth, and earth is rotating. So if earth is rotating and with the same angular velocity, that satellite is also rotating, so it will be at a constant over a constant position na? So the earth rotation is same. Okay, same as that of earth rotation. Got it? Got it? What is the third order triangular system? What is the third order triangulation system? Again a database question, guys. Again a database question. And guys, see, I am not Rajnikant na. I don't know that they will be asking the first order or second order. They can ask anything. So let me tell you, if they ask, because this has been asked in couple of exams in the last few years. First order, also called as primary triangulation, which is of most accuracy. Geodetic surveying is done in this. Here it is, length of baseline is 5 to 15 kilometers. Larger area it is done. Okay. Second order or secondary triangulation, because guys here they are asking for third, but I don't know in exam they will be asking what, because in last few years it has been asked in couple of exams. So here the length of baseline is 1.5 to 5 kilometers. Then the third order or tertiary triangulation, it is length of baseline 0.5 to 3 kilometer. Okay, so it is 0.5 to 3 kilometer for tertiary. And what does this means? Suppose this is India na? Suppose this is India. So first primary triangulation is done on this. Then inside primary triangulation we will be making some secondary triangulation areas. And then inside this secondary triangulation na, we will be doing the tertiary triangulation. Okay. Okay. This is wrong or what? B is equal to B into H by F. Sorry. B is equal to B into capital H by F. B into capital H by F. That is option number D. Yes. Okay. The observations of two photographs simultaneously is called as the observations of two photographs simultaneously is called as stereoscopy. That is called as stereoscopy. Okay. Following errors are eliminated due to reciprocal. From reciprocal leveling, na, if you see the complete derivation, then curvature error is eliminated, line of collimation is eliminated, error due to reflection is eliminated. So answer will be D. Answer will be D. What is hypsometry? I told you this in class. What is hypsometric leveling? In leveling class I told you this. Guys, we generally think that leveling is only from dumpy level. Leveling is any method from which we find the height. Like barometric leveling. What is barometric leveling? Finding the atmospheric pressure. Guys, as we go above the earth, above the earth, atmospheric pressure decreases. So from noting down the atmospheric pressure, here there is so much less atmospheric pressure. So altitude will be quite high. Guys, Goa will be having maximum atmospheric pressure. You go little above, Shimla will be having less atmospheric pressure. You go little above, Ladakh will be having lesser atmospheric pressure, and Mount Everest will be having the least atmospheric pressure out of these. So as we go above, atmospheric pressure decreases. So atmospheric pressure decreases. So finding the atmospheric pressure and then relating with the height, because as we go more height, less atmospheric pressure. So finding the atmospheric pressure and getting the height, that is called barometric leveling. That is called barometric leveling. Okay. What is hypsometric leveling, guys? See, suppose this is a bowl and we are heating it for boiling it. Okay. Actually, this is this. So guys, where the boiling point will be more? Boiling point will be more in Goa or Shimla? Boiling point of water will be more in Goa or Shimla? Tell me. Tell me. It will be more in Goa as compared to Shimla. As compared to Shimla or Leh. Now guys, see, it is when you are taking the same temperature of water which you are boiling, same container and everything same. Why more boiling point in Goa? Because in Goa atmospheric pressure will be more. So vapors cannot come easily. Vapor cannot boil because vapors are not easy to come from the surface. More atmospheric pressure. So when vapors want to come above from boiling, more atmospheric pressure in Goa. So you have to provide more heat so that vapors can come above. So more boiling point will be in Goa. So noting down the boiling point and getting the height, relating it with height, making a calibration chart, that is called hypsometric leveling. And barometric leveling is from the atmospheric pressure finding the height. Give me yes or no. Give me yes or no, everyone. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, everyone. Great. Now this one. MSQ question. Everyone. Do this. Let me see who can be correct. Let me see who can be correct. All are commandos, all will be correct. But who is the first one to be correct here? Who will be the first one to be correct here? I am quite sure that you all will be correct. But who is the first one? a 3000 meter long line at an elevation of 450 meter, measure 10 centimeter on a vertical photograph. So what is the scale? Photo distance 10 centimeter upon ground distance 3000 meter into this much centimeter. So it is 1 by 30,000 is the scale. Okay. The focal length of the camera is this, with reference to what? Which of the following is correct? So altitude is, guys, scale is equal to 1 by 30,000 is equal to f. Focal length is given 21 centimeter, so 0.21 meter upon capital H minus average elevation. What is the elevation? 450. So H is 6750 meters. So A is correct. This will be wrong. Guys, these kind of MSQ questions, I don't find them MSQ. MSQ will be those questions, in my guess, where the options are 4C1. One option may be correct also. All MCQs are MSQ. These much should be the number of choices of MSQ questions. But here, these MSQ questions are purely MCQ, because either the answer will be AB, AC, BC, sorry, either the answer will be AB, AC, or BD or CD. So we have only 4 options here also, yeah. We are here only 4 options. Either this will be correct, AB, AC, BD or CD. And this is an MCQ question, because either of these 4 will be correct. This will not be having these many number of options. And this MCQ question, this MSQ which is turned to MCQ question, will be having no negative marking. Okay. Now for an elevation of 1000, what will be the scale? Scale will be F upon capital H, that is 6750 minus 1000. This will be how much? 1 centimeter in 273.81 meter. That is option number B. So correct option will be A comma B. Okay. Any doubt? Okay, guys, all the students who are preparing for GATE 2026 or 27, you can enroll in our batch, where we will be getting live plus recorded classes, study notes, PYQ, doubt session, complete test series. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. You can follow us. And these are my numbers and email ID where you can connect me, guys. Okay. And let me tell you guys, we'll be having some more questions, surveying these many number of questions. So we have done more questions because this is a vast syllabus. Similarly, RCC will be having some more questions. Will be tomorrow. Okay, this is the complete. It will be on YouTube at 8 PM. For any doubt, please WhatsApp me at this number. Okay. Thank you everybody. I hope you enjoyed this quick brush up of surveying. Have you enjoyed? Anything you want more in upcoming subjects? In RCC, PERT CPM, soil mechanics, hydrology, engineering mechanics, highway, do you want some more sessions? Tougher question, more MSQs, less MSQs, more NATs. What you want more in upcoming sessions? Please let me know in the comment section. What you want more in upcoming sessions? More questions, more MSQs, fast speed in upcoming sessions, less speed, tougher questions, easier question. Yes, no, very tough name, Anapureshwari. What you want more in upcoming sessions? MCQ, maths. Okay, at the end we'll be doing that as well. Anything more? anything more you want, then please write on the comment section. Okay, okay, Asan. Okay, Nishant. Okay. Okay. Okay, then thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you all. Take care. Thank you, everyone. All these points are noted by our team. Thank you.